to have seen Rattray Park.
Kofi answer my kasano. Akolana osi onya
Akoma FM.
Nyankopon fa ne kra insie ye. Na I would want to wish and tell the city authorities so many bars are near my way.
Okay.
Now Rattray Park and yes our concept in the
I see.
Swimming pool was not part of it. Swimming pool was not part of it.
Not swimming pool, yeah, part of
it. I don't know how today.
I walk out. Remember me the video of Rattray Park. Yeah.
You know, talking about swimming pool and the swimming pool and yeah, dear,
okay.
If you look at houses and comfort buildings, majority of the houses have swimming pools. But you see, the concept of Rattray Park, not say nipa baho, no more relaxing near ma. No alcohol.
Okay.
Nothing. Recuperating. To say Wi-Fi or Timumako and Ankolana Tima jump ya nanti round near now to be also a dream. It's just to go at a recreational park. Ya yes, you tone sound. Ya yes,
at your time, you need tone.
No. That was a concept that I spoke about. I tell you the committee and it's on paper at KME.
A daho.
Say yeah, me tongue sa. That is also my principle. Say yen sa. Oh, because you can sa. In Kumasi, we fi say ho finti ba ko ye year ho, e ko ye parties ho, e ba ko inti it would e be say ho no. Inti I set it categorically say.
In your handing over notes.
Yeah, it's part of my handing. A document the order that
for the Rattray Park.
For the Rattray Park, it's restrictions and everything. We sat down. That went through the committees for us to discuss. Yeah, discuss it to great lengths. Some people were with the argument that in some round any program see Debbie. The concept is to go and recuperate. Now alcohol, obinum no boa, want to be in control. Yes, say na. Obiba akotoma wawi nti minim how baby kom min konra ho hwe baby kom kutu swimming pool
na so wo ho ayesa ka akohwe wajapade kakra
dabe anya majapade
wachi se
no coffee patcho get it right anya media
yes I know say
na me beye and am the concept by any fire
by a building se Kojo Bonsu na ye Rattray
me na me ya
abandia
yes nti se wa fi no bia ba obi so na beto aso I keep saying this, and abandi ukotan baby now time so now free wa. Unko wachi enko man structures. You don't have the right. And more so abino I buy for front also.
Okay.
What did I mention? Nti ade na okwa to say, hey, hemi na man say, oh ya hwan. Tenor of office. Wo de so no akono biso be yen dia. Na ye to so na amemu ni Ghana a panel
Rebecca say nkwala no ko ha de na omudi kwadi agro say ye swimming pool ni sa na ma bibi ani ho
and the swimming pool no one no swimming pool no one
say no ne aye no ho
get it right. We had a playground, we have a seesaw, we had a lot of playthings for kids.
Okay.
With my food, baby, no sliding, power sliding, your car and non park, no so around. You can jump around, you can do anything. And we had Wi-Fi, you have everything. You have the water dancing fountain. Colano, but now the fountain, now I recuperate, now I cruise, now I'm away from.
That's the time I remote control.
Me. Oh, Kofi, and Sembi a seriousness.
It's very dangerous. Say remote control.
I mean, how? It's not correct. It is not correct. Inti fountain and yejuma.
The way you're handing over remote now.
Bibiao, I had people that we had taken outside to train. Some no more. Yeah. Me call man for manko. Now. So they should have kept them to use them. Or even mumpe o mokrana buy for na abana mumpe o. You let them train people. No omo training no mu wie training na when your friend a good governance and understanding of the system. You can't just get up and sack somebody because on kawa by home and now because won't yadenas. Opa yinedia, pe we be yinedi. Never from know how na the man.
This is one of the moments. Tamanens, you know, asano na oho.
Beautiful.
It was awesome. I mean, therefore, Kojo Bonsu at the time of Rattray Park and KMB. One of the moments you share the fountain, you know, na ekosro na eba. And this was Rattray Park then. Now, memoir share, Mwamuko Facebook page, you know, you see at the time of Kojo Bonsu, this was Rattray Park. Fountain no said the ne ekosro nyumre na ehuri kosro. I walk up, manen sabi mame na me said na in city. Good. This is one of the moments we watched it, and as I went to, I think I was there myself. Na oh yes. When Dubai na no na do dan kwa akofo do mo koya ma Ghana flag no Ghana colors, right? They kosro na Burj Khalifa ne tower tintin. This was what was it a launching time? Me Kaiser one of the moments na koso. Now maminya the current scene of Rattray Park and then how the Rattray Park is. Welcome amende Rattray Park. Into this is now Rattray Park, the side of the pool near Honyamenina and near Woho, maybe Ayababidu. Okay, into this is the scene. Into, this is the current state of Rattray Park, the then and now. Kojo, come on. That's why I want me. Come on now.
Akoma FM.
Why are you disappointed, Kakra?
If you use the word disappointed, it's very light.
Oh, really? Disappointed, you're light.
I'm down.
You are down. Wow. I didn't write down because a different purpose, different administration, different concept.
It doesn't matter. It's Ghana.
That's a yes. That's why I'm emotional after watching the video and picture. I mean, I don't know you to be that emotional.
Akoma FM.
How? Can you imagine? Kojo Bonsu, this is serious. Come on. This is serious. I'm saying Kojo Bonsu, and this is not faking, but this is real. Wow. How? This is serious. I don't know, but
it's sad.
No, but
to
the extent of crying.
Yes, your friend Brego.
Oh God.
Akoma.
Akoma
FM.
Because about Marciano.
Yeah.
Me na nanum kroni.
Sure.
Me ho.
Sure.
And I toiled and worked very hard. I'm sure Kofi, you are aware.
I know. What you went through.
Sleepless nights.
Sure.
I did the attempt and the entire home. And some Ninema Bibri. And I thought this concept was very good for Kumasi, that Ebe Krabere.
Yeah.
Nenano pa, he me basti do her.
Yeah.
Na adia odi ba se be buan kola mo me de suade de hu
Akoma
ba ne bitima kwa abrochi. But you can learn things from here.
Sure.
Now we catch him say akola bi ewu ho because of something that we could have
changing
avoided.
the entire concept.
That we could have avoided. Is it not sad?
It's sad.
Is
though.
it not painful?
It's sad though, but not to the extent of crying.
No. If you say sad though, I wouldn't be very.
Yeah, but everyone wants to
yes, because yes, it's very painful.
I've been with you in a moment. I mean, Kumase for ma yet do attempt. I've been with you in a moment. I mean, yet it's serious news than this. But when you are crying,
yes, because of Brego. Because of Brego, any akwalana were free mono because of negligence, because of enyema. And you said to me, "Kum nipa." You see, nipa wo, and then special akola. He could be the future president of Ghana. Course. He could be our future teacher. I'll be a future professor. You know, And these are things that, local governance, these are some of the things that you have to protect.
Yeah.
If you run a city, all these things, you must be very, very careful with it.
Akoma
And
FM.
safety measures,
Yeah.
and I don't think it has been taken on board. So my tears are not because of, but it's the sadness of how a 9-year-old, is that what you said?
Yeah,
Akoma
dying
87.9.
because of such a thing. And at a park that I created with my own concept and on my own visionary, this thing.
Wow.
Isn't it sad? Maybe I would your realm.
No, but you are feeling, you are making me more emotional. As a me know about it because I felt it. I mean,
yeah,
because
that is how I feel.
Yeah.
You see it,
Yeah. But also me the kind the home combo. But after watching Rattray Park then, now obeshe we ne, then you started crying.
Abregu.
Wow.
Yeah.
But will be a more munyan share Rattray Park said in city. We showing it on Facebook page. The Duana Jua, the scene. I mean, trust me, it was a place to be. Now, come on, and you will love it. The pictures, everything was on point. And Mekaiser me call Dubai last year. I think October Muna me call. It was nice. And this the Rattray Park now, Rattray Park then. And I will share this here. But you did a lot. I mean, I'm not surprised he Enra Yafre to party Amawo. Prempeh the second assembly hall. Me hui nanka oba si.
Una say ayewi.
Yes, yewi. Nanka obi si Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly na ankasa. Nanka obi si foforo. I remember I saw the design.
Akoma FM.
What happened?
Me put them in say in kebi as a construction in yewi because
Who do he?
look, we did everything from design.